Thank you, Dr. Schreier. Good morning. I'm Kelly Morrison, Congresswoman for Minnesota's 3rd District and the first and only pro-choice OBGYN to ever serve in Congress. Thank you. I join my colleagues this morning in calling for RFK Jr.'s immediate resignation. I stand here again with the members of the Democratic Doctors Caucus 6 months after we voiced our warning about and opposition to his nomination to lead HHS. Our worst fears are now being realized. There needs to be a point in which we all stop and say, this is unequivocally disqualifying. We cannot be complicit in letting political ideologues take over our scientific and public health institutions. We just had the firing of one of the nation's top scientists because she refused to put a political agenda over protecting public health. We've had an exodus of senior agency officials who said they could no longer work in RFK Jr.'s environment of weaponizing public health for political gain and putting millions of American lives at risk. We have had a complete political takeover of our nation's top health agency. This is the truth of where we are. What we've been hearing from the federal health officials whistleblowing about RFK Jr.'s leadership at HHS is horrifying. We have to listen to what they're telling us. RFK Jr. is literally orchestrating the destruction of public health care in the United States. He is completely undermining globally respected health institutions like CDC. He is taking us from being a leader in the world to at best an absolute mockery and at worst a danger. Vaccines are modern miracles that keep us from dying of preventable diseases. After decades upon decades of dedicated work to create these life-saving miracles, he is dragging us backwards. I'm disturbed by this administration's indifference to the damage he is causing. And I am beyond disappointed in congressional Republicans who confirmed him and continue to enable his destruction of public health in the United States. If nothing changes, I worry the CDC won't survive this, and irreparable harm will have been done to public health in our country. So we must be clear-eyed about the danger we are in, and we all need to speak out. This is not a partisan issue. This is about the health of the American people. I call on all members of Congress to be patriots and stand up for the health and safety and well-being of the American people. Thank you very much, and I turn it over to my colleague from New Jersey, Dr. Herb Conway.